Hello everyone, now we shall again continue from lines 170. Now Brutus was talking about his lady love Portia, and he says that his lady love Portia is a very very beautiful lady. She is not only extremely rich but also a lady of wondrous qualities, and she is no inferior to Brutus's wife Portia and Cato's daughter Portia. And then he says, nor is the wide world ignorant of her worth. That means, he says, not only I, but even the whole world is aware of her beauty and her qualities. For the four winds blow in from every coast renowned suitors. Four winds here refers to the four directions. He says that the vast world is not unaware of her beauty. We can say this because well-known suitors, renowned suitors means very high-born and very rich and well-known suitors are coming from all the four directions, that is from all the different corners of the world. And her sunny locks hang on her temples like a golden fleece. Now she is so beautiful that suitors are coming from all the four corners of the world just to have a glimpse of her beauty and to woo and marry her. And her golden, now he describes her beauty, that she's so beautiful. Her golden locks of hair, she has got locks is this, the hair on the forehead that rests on her temples like the golden wool. Like she's got such beautiful golden lovely hair that the hair resting on her forehead is looking just like the golden wool. Like a golden fleece means like the golden wool, which makes her seat of Belmont Colchos Strand. And because of this, her house in Belmont is like Colchos Coast, to which many adjacents have gone to find the golden fleece. Now, here I will tell you the story of who was Jason. Now, Jason was a brave superhero and he had gone to Colchos to find the golden fleece. Now, here because Portia is so beautiful and she has got golden locks on her temple, so she has been compared to the golden fleece. And the suitors who are coming to Belmont, they are referred to as the Jasons. And her house in Belmont is referred to as Colchos, where the golden fleece was found. And many Jasons come in quest of her. O my Antonio, had I but the means to hold a rival place with one of them. Now he says that if only I had the money to place myself equal to the other suitors who are there to marry Portia. I have a mind presages me such thrift that I should questionless be fortunate. He says that my sixth instinct, my mind is foretelling me that if only I had the money to present myself as an eligible suitor in front of Portia, I would surely be lucky enough to win this lady. So he means to tell Antonio that I only lack resources. If only I have the money and present myself as an eligible suitor, I am sure that nothing can stop me from winning my lady love. Antonio, thou knowest that all my fortunes are at sea. He says, you are very much aware that all my goods are on board ships. Neither have I money nor commodity to raise a present sum. He says that I neither have the money nor the goods on the basis of which I can raise money for you. Therefore go forth, try what my credit can in Venice too. Now see, this is really absurd because like in my previous videos I have told you that Antonio had said that his financial position was not dependent upon a ship. and he was quite well off. And now he does not even have so much of money with him that he can help his friend Bassanio. So this is really contradictory. And then he tells Bassanio that because I do not have the money, but I would surely help you. Like you can go and try to get money from anyone in the city of Venice as a loan on my behalf. Like Antonio will give guarantee. Therefore go forth, try what my credit can in Venice do. That shall be racked even to the uttermost. He says that try to find money which can which can make you to go to Belmont, to furnish thee to Belmont to fair Portia. Go presently inquire, and so will I. He says, you also go and find out. I will also go and try to raise the money. Where money is, and I have no question make to have it of my trust or for my sake. He says, I am sure that I shall be able to get the money either on my credit or for the sake of your friendship. Thank you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and also do share it with your friends.